My name is Harold Calderon, and today I'm going to talk about my first day at Tech. It happened on February 17. It was very important to me because I realized how different university life was going to be. My first day at Tech was very exciting to me because I never went alone to a place like that before. My first class was chemistry in classroom G18, number 2, with the professor Enrique Calleja. I was very nervous that day because the professor got angry and because a student took a photo of the whiteboard. It was a little scary, but it was also funny. That class was not very difficult and I didn't feel lost. After chemistry class, I walked to institutional restaurant and I ate there for the first time and the food was really good. I remember I don't expect the food to be that tasty because in my school the the food uh, was not very good. And I remember that after lunch I didn't not stay on campus. I remember I went to a friend house to attend a virtual class, writing communication, at 3 p.m. with the professor Dimitri Shiltag. I remember that day I connect late to the class because I didn't find the link to to the virtual class. Now in the class, I introduce myself to the professor and my classmates. I remember in the presentation that the professor was very strict to turn on the camera. And I also remember that the professor explained us what is the class about. After that, the teacher asked us and what communication means. And I remember he was very critical with the answers of the campaigns because it was very technical with the definition. I didn't know exactly what to say, but because I say that communication was is a tool, but I listen and I learn a lot. That day I understood that the university does was not to be easy. And I remember that day because I changed how I say myself as a student. I felt nervous, exciting, and um, and curious at the same time. And I remember that I did not imagine that they could me teach so much. And my advice to another student is, and don't be afraid, just enjoy. Thank you so much. See you later.